the effects of urban development on flood risk in Can Tho, Vietnam, will become more pronounced over time due to climate change and urban growth. Climate change-driven sea level rise and increased river flow due to climate change will lead to higher levels of flooding, while urban growth will result in increased urban runoff and enhanced extreme rainfall events. To mitigate this risk, it is important to understand how each factor contributes to the overall flood risk and develop strategies to reduce the impact of climate change and urban growth.
This article was authored by H.T.L. Huong and Pathirana.